Yeah, welcome back. This is Samm. Today we're going to be solving a problem involving exponential equation. So if you're excited to solve with me, let's go. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to keep getting interesting solutions to mathematical problems. Let's go. Okay, if you remember the first law of indices, it says if you have ax multiplied by ay multiplying same base, you add the powers. Now, this law of indices is popular, well known. Now, let's apply this law here. You know, same number, we can add the powers, right? And now we can go back to this. So let's apply that here. So this will give us 3 raised to power x plus 3 raised to power x times 3 raised to power 1. Remember, when you are multiplying 3 and 3, we add the powers, right? It gives us x plus 1. So we're just applying this law of indices here to break this down. So plus, in this other case, we'll have 3 raised to power x multiplied by 3 raised to power 2. Remember, when you multiply these 3 and 3, same number, you add the powers and it gives you this. So we'll have equal to 3, 1, 5, 9. Okay? Now let's proceed. So here we'll have 3 raised to power x plus 3 raised to power x multiplied by 3 raised to power 1 is 3. Plus 3 raised to power x multiplied by 3 square is 9. So what we have here is, okay, let me write it in a clearer way. So we have 3x plus 3 multiplied by 3x plus 9 multiplied by 3 raised to power x. Sorry, this is equal to 3159 equals to 3159. Okay, from here we can factorize easily because this 3 raised to power x is common to all the 3 here. We can factorize with 3 raised to power x, and what we'll have left here is 1, plus what we'll have left here is 3, plus what we'll have left here is 9. That's 3 raised to power x multiplied by 1 is 3 raised to power x. 3 raised to power x multiplied by 3 is this, and 3 raised to power x multiplied by 9 is this. So we have equal to 3159. Okay. Now we can add all of these numbers. So we have 9 plus 3, 11. Sorry, 9 plus 3, 12 plus 1, 13. So we have 3 raised to power x multiplied by 13 equals to 3159. Now, we're solving for x, so we can divide both sides by 13, and I think that will really help. So if we divide both sides by 13, this will cancel out this. Okay, maybe I should move up there. Can I see right here? Okay, let me move up there. So what we'll have left is 3 raised to power x equal to... Now if we divide 3159 by 13, what we'll have is 2, 4, 3. Yeah, if we divide this by 13, you get 2, 4, 3. Now, in this case, 3 raised to power x can be written, this 2, 4, 3 can be written as 3 raised to power 5, because 3 multiplied by 3 is 9, multiplied by 3 is 27, multiplied by 3 again is 81, multiplied by 3, that's the fifth 3, gives you 2, 4, 3. Now we can equate the power. Since the bases are equal, the powers have to be equal. Now the English for that is equate the powers. So the bases are equal, then x equal to 5. So our value for x is 5 from this interesting exponential equation. Yeah, my name is Samm. Kindly subscribe to this channel to keep getting interesting solutions to mathematical problems.